Yes. Cool. Oh. No. So those are the issues that are. Yeah. Hi, Gaspard.
Hi there.
Hello.
I won't be too long.
Yeah, no
We'll
worries.
have to go eating just in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, no worries. I pasted the pull request issue numbers, which I hope we could just pull in. I see that a couple of them is missing reviews. I could review yours, Kaspar, the package JSON fix.
Yeah, it's very small.
Yeah, it's just changing to next. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That looks okay.
So which one are these pull requests? Let me see. So are these the 10 that are here, or?
Yeah,
No.
minus 2 of them. So the one from Garth, the immutable model, I think it will crash quite a bit with number 1000. So I think we should hold it.
Okay.
And I can do a refactor on that one after all this stuff is in. And then it's the one from Max. I think he's not done with that one.
It's a feature.
Yes. So it's missing some documentation.
Okay.
And then it's, let's see, what's this one? There's one work in progress, though. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I don't think it's ready. I was waiting for Yusuf Safak to.
Yusuf Safak, yeah.
Yeah, to document, but yeah, he hasn't answered for some time, so I can just go in and do it. But yeah, so it's not ready.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I kind of liked how he simplified the whole, adding operators thing. It's nice. Well, okay, can wait. Okay.
So the one that is missing review is add website deploy to master script. You did the last change there, Gaspar.
Yes, I added the missing dependencies, so it should work. So basically, you can review it, no? Oh no, because you created it.
Yeah, I can't review it, but I can at least do a live review of your last changes. I see you did the dependency changes there.
Yeah. So how can I just review that? I can only comment because I don't know.
You did changes to it, or?
Yeah, maybe, probably.
Yeah, so none of us. Maybe Alexei, could you look at it? 1045. Neither Gaspar nor me can approve it.
It's strange. Why can't I review it? Review changes. Yes, I can do this. Approve.
Oh, you can. Okay.
Yeah, I just had to change that tab. Okay. Oh well, it's just now 2 hours. Okay. Right.
And then it's 1020. It's also missing review. Or I think Alexei reviewed it, but it was just wondering about breaking changes. But there are no breaking changes.
Okay, so maybe does this need to be rebased a little bit, or there's like 8 commits on this one?
Oh, good question.
So probably you can squash these commits because it looks like, let me see, like things have been going back and forth. So it's not.
Yes, the scope of the change is just adding a new method.
Yes. So you've been watching all this because I cannot.
I think we could just leave it separate. They have good descriptions.
Okay.
And they have good split on the purpose. So I think we should keep it.
Keep the commit.
Okay. Okay. So it's not that you've been working on this PR and creating commits, all right? Fine.
So yeah, so if you see it, like the end result there is adding the run sequence method.
Yeah, but there's also a documentation fix and then some other work. Yeah, it's fine. Good. Okay, so this one is. It needs to be approved.
Yes, exactly.
Also. Okay. So I trust you on this one because I know nothing about the universal control, and so.
Yeah, I've been working with, like we're using it in our project, and I've been talking to, I don't remember his name. I guess it's, yeah, maybe this is the guy. I think he has a different name on Discord. Anyways. Cannot be rebased due to conflicts. Is that only on my screen? Or? No. What does that mean? This branch cannot be rebased due to conflicts.
What do you have there?
On 1020, when it was reviewed or approved, I mean.
All green now in 1020.
Yeah.
So just merge all of them.
Let's see. The 1000 also needs review.
Gaspar?
Yes.
Our setup is our setup ready for new package?
What do you mean?
I mean 1000 to introduce new package that weren't published yet.
It's a new package.
Yeah.
Let me see the files. So what's this? Yes, I think it is. I think there's nothing that should break here.
So it first will try to release next version.
Yes, and if it works there, it should work on.
And which version it would be?
It should be 100.
Okay. So just start to merge.
Yeah, just as long as that one's it's approved. Is it? Yeah, someone has to. I don't have access. I created the PR of 1000, so I can't approve it.
I just approved.
Oh, okay, cool. But yeah.
Okay.
So yes, and then I will go through all of them, and I will create like a message on Discord, just explaining the changes. And also, I have one question because there are still some packages that has not been affected by this automatic next thing. For example, user agent. So I'm wondering, like, what happens if you install user agent with next? Do you get like an older version than the beta, or do you?
Yes, you will get older version.
Yeah. Okay. So
maybe we should somehow fix it.
No, but just the. You mean we have not any semver change for this one from, so that's why it hasn't changed, right? It's not published.
We mean that Next starts to publish only changed packages, even if there were no changes there, and if someone tries to install it with Next label,
Yes.
get pre-release version that is older than latest release.
But I'm not sure about that. Let me check. I created a GIST from npm registry.
We haven't published all packages as Next after release 1.0.
See, just user agent JSON versions I have here. No, it's released.
Released
as
no.
Next. Yes, it is.
Let's check something that definitely weren't in the Next yet. Wasn't touched.
Yeah, like user agent hasn't been changed forever.
Yes, but we released it.
Okay.
Because
which version is released under Next?
We released every package that didn't have any tag or that was not tagged. So that's every one of them.
Okay.
So I just extracted the JSON from registry, and I pasted a link in Discord. You can have a look.
Okay.
And clearly there's a next.
Oh shit!
101.
Pasted the issue numbers on the wrong channel. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but does the oh yeah.
Oh, I think it's published.
Yeah.
Like we have on the 29th of July. That's the first run, I think. And it's 100, and then we have 101. No, it looks okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know why some people didn't have this one installed. It's strange.
So wait a second. So you say that after releasing 1.0.0, they have released all packages under Next 2?
This one had a 0.0 version, so 1.0.0 is next actually.
Sorry. I should check it myself.
Yes. Just try to install at next. Let me see. Save Cerebral agent at next. Here it is.
Which shortcut? It definitely will be patched.
Okay, I really have a confirmation that we have it at next. I just have posted a screenshot.
Oh.
And when it happened?
I don't know. Maybe he had some local cache. Maybe we don't know.
Oh yeah, with the I think it was just an open question because
maybe because of the package JSON file that is wrong.
Let me look at where was it in general support?
Oh, I don't know. Does search work?
No, maybe no releases. I think yes. Yeah, he did. Yeah, it's just he pasted.
He was using 201. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. So next works because I just installed it.
Yeah, I see. Like he got a warning, like Cerebral user agent. Oh yeah, I think he had like a typical npm issue where he updated Cerebral to Next, but then user agent complained because he didn't update that one to Next as well. So we had like beta 3 of user agent and Next of Cerebral, and then it complained.
Yeah, that's probably that. Yeah.
Yeah, because I was a bit unsure on this, so I said like, okay, at least Cerebral is next, but I didn't think of it crashing with the other packages.
No, and I posted this message with a summary of new versions with major bump, and we have user agent 1.0.0. So
yeah, okay, but yeah,
no, that looks okay.
Great. Then I can just say all packages should be installed with, like, if you want to use Next on all packages.
Yeah, or you will have compatibility issues probably.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't think you need me, or
should be good as long as Travis doesn't complain. So we'll just cross our fingers.
Yeah, and I'll check back later. So just post a message on Discord if you need me or something.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks, Kaspar.
Bye.
Have a nice dinner.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
1000 now has conflicts. It does some packages on.
Oh. And should I do rebase in terminal or resolve conflicts on GitHub?
Try it on terminal first.
Okay. This is Mobex. Git check out Mobex. And I pulled Next first.
Okay, I merged almost all planned except 1000 and 986. And I have a question for you now. Do we want to release Next first and right after that the same as master as latest?
Yeah, did you mean like merge into master?
We are merging now in Next. And if we allow Travis to run, we will publish it as Next first, and after that we will merge it in master, and we will get the same state as latest. Do we want it, or just make only checks in Travis?
Yeah, like I only want it to be installed from Next, like only a Next release.
It seems you haven't get my idea.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Let's see. I have merged bunch of PRs into next branch. If we keep Travis running now, if we allow to finish it, it will publish now and next packages under the next. After that, we want to publish it as latest. Yes.
Have you talked about that? Like, you mean the tag latest?
Yes. Do we want release today all state of next branch as latest?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have any opinion on it, really. I have never used latest.
But so we want to check also website publishing, and we want it updated today.
No, only, yeah, I'm not sure how we should do, like, currently there's nothing that publishes the website when it's in next. So you only get access to the website when we actually merge into master.
So my question is, do we want today to release all the state of next as latest?
I don't know.
And also,
what does it mean, like, in practice?
I think at least a hypertracker wants to get it in latest.
But does he explicitly have to, like, say latest, like at latest?
I think at least we want a new updated website without beta.
Oh, yeah.
And it's only possible if we allow Travis to build from master.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
my suggestion is not run Travis publish for next today and only start with latest from master.
Well, what does that mean in practice? Like,
it means that we will have today a release under latest tag without intermediate next release, which will be the same, just with another versions.
But that means that anyone who tries to install Cerebral will get...
I would suggest now to add another pull request that will update repo cooker script, and we will add the next tag as a release to point to the same version as release. And on the day of release, it will be the same next, and latest would point at the same latest state. And only when next appear, latest will stay on the stable, and next tag will point in the future.
Okay, so
on the new versions.
Okay, so you mean like we merge next into master, but it won't be published. It will still be published as next, kinda?
No, it would be published as both, as latest and as next. But latest and next is just tags.
Yeah, but is latest, does that mean like install Cerebral, or do you have to explicitly say install Cerebral at latest?
If you install Cerebral, you got latest by default.
Yeah, that's okay. Then I understand.
So, and if you install Cerebral at next, and we publish only latest, but next left on the previous next before release, it would be not so next.
But doesn't this mean that all the PRs we merge now will be like will be released?
No. See, when we prepared next branch to release, we allow trials to run from master with new bunch of commits, and it will release new versions, and it will tag them as latest and as next at the same time. When we have new bunch of PRs, they merged in the next branch. Each of them will trigger new next release. But latest will be kept as current stable, and therefore we will get that next will be always newer than latest or the same. So it's either the same as latest or newer.
Yeah, because what I still don't understand is why can't we just release next now as next and then
it would be practically almost the same, but it will have another versions, different versions, and it would be extraneous release.
Okay.
So it would be released two different versions, but latest would appear later than next. So my suggestion is that build from master will always tag the resulting release both as latest and as next. And we will guarantee by that next is either the same as latest or
okay, unless there's something new in next.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I understand. So, but you don't like you suggest to make that change before we merge into master.
Yes.
But you don't suggest that we merge into master today.
Why not?
I'm just thinking maybe we should test these PRs first, like in real apps, before we officially release it.
Okay. So just another round of testing?
Yeah, like just I want like in our project, especially the breaking.
Okay, so then we don't need this change today.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay.
So
completely
today we only release latest next.
Latest next, yes. But okay, then I will make a note to make that update as you suggest, because that makes total sense. Update master version to also release next. Okay, cool. Yes.
Okay. Well, seems only 1,000 left.
Oh yeah, I was working on this thing here.
I'm stopping Travis for intermediate merges just to avoid many releases today.
Am I doing this right? Like now I did a rebase on the 1000 PR, and then I'm trying to git merge next, but like it just says already up to date. Why don't I get the conflict? merge. Huh. I'm not sure how I can rebase 1000 locally. Just says
share screen.
Yeah, I can do that. Let's see here. So, oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. There we are. So I can do it from.
You have to delete your local tag next.
Oh.
I think it's left over from previous.
Okay. How do I delete?
So, Git just doesn't know what do you mean branch next or tag next. Try git tag. I suppose -d next.
Oh.
Okay.
If I try to merge now. Oh, so that's why because I had this problem before as well. Okay, so conflict in
packages on
controller JS. Okay, I guess that's okay. Because that's being used. No, it has two of them.
Removed, yes.
Oh, it was removed from here then.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, so I had done. Okay, I see. Oh, there's more stuff here.
And another removed piece.
Yeah.
Wait a second. I suppose in that moved piece, there were some changes in this PR. That's why it were marked as conflict.
Mm-hmm.
And it's now not reflected in the moved place in the utils. Let me check it now. Okay. So we say about get model, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because all this other stuff, this is moved into base controller instead.
Just because it shows a conflict here, it means that you change something here, and it not reflected in that place where it moved to. So we should compare changes and make sure that it will moved into new place.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, so get module was actually in utils, but yeah, it looks like this one is not.
I'm sure you made some changes in it. We should. Oh. No. So it was moved here. Could you open utils get model?
Mm-hmm.
And sorry. Another second. It was controller initially, yes. Get model. Get module. Keep it here. Keep it open.
This one.
Get model utils. Okay. So in the next branch, I see a difference. So in the line 3010, else part of the change to ensure pass.
This line.
This line after colon pass split will change to ensure pass.
Oh yeah. Like this?
Yes. Does it defined in this file?
Let's see. I believe so. Does it only pass the path?
Yes. Okay. Yes, only pass. Return, please. Return path. If not, can follow models key. So, arrow. Okay, it seems all. Save it. Another bit, so it was removed, but we have some changes in next in this part, I guess.
Okay.
And I have to review it carefully. If type of window undefined.
Oh yeah, this is. Oh, I see now. This is part of universal controller.
I could check the. It would be faster. Just check changes in universal controller. How it was called?
Yeah. I think it's because of this part here.
Wait a bit. I can find it.
Yeah, because what I think here is like if we look in base controller, we have this.devtools and we have the stuff below, and that is part of this one, this.devtools, and we have the rest.
Yeah, you should just copy this part and move to base controller, yes.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So we have a fresh copies here, and we have, yes, okay. So just make sure that all other is still the same.
Yes, like this DevTools, console warn, and then it gets, yeah, though we have, yeah, this one as well. We need to flush. That one's also. Then it's the same. Initialize, flush, get signal, warn, DevTools, and then the new.
Remove it here. Okay, check. No, that's all.
Oh.
No. It just changed in boss, so we should decide which is right, or just keep boss.
Good question. Module remove. No, it should be, because what's new here is inside model, it's listening to the event, and then it removes the state related to that module instead of doing it directly here. So it should be only.
We don't need here. So there were only changed to ensure pass, and we don't need it now, I guess. Should we ensure pass on split?
Here as well? Yeah, I guess we should do.
Yeah, so it will. Oh, we have a nudge.
Yeah. Let's see, make sure we have it here. Yeah, okay, cool. Packages. Is it in the...
I think it was en route.
Was it here? No.
I suppose monorepo. No?
No, because yeah, it was kind of strange because it didn't say any conflict here. It was only in...
Maybe it will be next one. So only one conflict file, yes? Git added it?
Yeah. So should...
You should add it. Git added.
Edit?
Yes.
Like this?
Add.
Oh, yeah, add it, yeah. But should we try to run the tests?
Let's see the status. We will have at least 2,000 changed. Yes, we need all of them.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh, it's really modified, so okay. Git.
Do I do like I'm rebasing? Like, should I?
Git base continue.
Base continue. Okay, because this was the first commit, and now it might have a conflict on the next.
Yeah. What? Why it? You are in the middle of. Why merge? Could you run a status again?
Yeah, because I did.
Scroll up, please. You're in the stop. Upper. Something strange happened here. Git base next. Oh no, I got it. You had it seems you had a mobx files and you added it with git add not model cerebral. And you probably added a bit. Just start the base again.
Should I do like the two last ones?
No. Just git base next.
Oh. And then do this. Yeah, just do the same.
Move this part to utils.
No, it was this one. And this one.
Ensure pass. Ensure pass.
Yes.
Now should be fine.
And then no, it's
no, just git status. Please, okay, packages not modular cerebral. Now, show me please status again. Aren't you edited already?
Should I add it?
Let's find packages not modular cerebral.
Sorry?
Let's be explicit. Git add packages not modular cerebral.
Okay.
Packages not modular cerebral. Just to be safe. No marks. No asterisks at the end.
No. But I did it. Why was that a problem? Why doesn't it add exactly?
Git status.
Oh, it's okay. Git makes me so nervous. Like, I'm shaking. And then rebase continue?
Yes.
Yeah, and now we have the package JSON thing. And this should be in root. Or, oh, yeah. Okay, it's just added the dependencies.
You could move it in the alphabet order. It will be moved sometime later anyway.
But it's okay now? Just keep both?
Let's keep it. Edit and continue.
Okay.
Could you run lint?
Yeah, is it just lint?
Yes. Pricer is not working after a base, so we should break linting rules here. Seems everything okay now.
Should I do like a test? Good. I don't remember if it's rather experimental still. Yeah, I did have some tests there. Yeah, but there weren't any changes on this one, so that's okay. Should I like force push it?
Yes.
Origin and Mobex force. That's correct, right?
Yes.
Score. Got the skills. Okay, so I can actually, when I'm going to rebase from a branch, I actually git rebase and the branch, not so doing the at.
When you want to rebase your feature branch on top of another branch, you check out this feature branch and run git rebase branch you want to rebase on top.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we read or just not read? So it's last one from the plants. Plant.
Yeah.
And the left only operators. Model by Gart.
Mm-hmm.
And another part.
Yes. So what I can do is I can give poke Max one last time on his pull request.
But Gart's pull request is not conflicted now, but it definitely will not work in current state, I suppose. Because it doesn't use base.
Yeah.
It just makes another creep to inject his model.
Mm. What that? Okay, yes, I can just start writing up the.
Jeg skulle aldri stengt Fremskrittspartiet. Nei, jeg vet det. Vi er veldig enige. Vi er veldig enige, tror jeg, i politikk. Ja, det er grunnleggende. Men det vet jeg litt. Ja, det ser jeg. Det er bare, jeg blir bare
Merge in the little pull request and automatic release of next.
Det visste liksom å bruke så bevisst for å ta tid og for å bruke. Ja, vi liksom.
Install Cerebral next.
Ja, det hun er sikkert veldig flink politiker på en måte, men det er ikke god politikk å drive og snakke sånn som du gjør. Nei, jeg er enig med deg. Det kan være til mening sikkert bra, og det eller ja, faktisk. Ja, og så bruker jeg du kan si det å tenke innholdsstaden. Og det gjør jeg vel. Men på en annen side synes jeg at den måten du snakker om det det kan gjøre deg. Du kan ikke si det sånn. Altså, det er liksom, det blir litt sånn overraskende noen ganger. Det er jo veldig mye å snakke til meg. Ja. Nei, det er utrolig at du er det å stå i det. Ja, det må være utrolig. For jeg står i halvstående. Yes.
Если еще раз, я тебе последний раз предупреждаю, еще раз услышишь какой-нибудь шорох или разговор или что-то в этом роде, завтра ни одного мультика ты смотреть не будешь. Ты поняла?
We have a fail.
Oh no.
You should disable test for MobX. And by the way, should it be on package code like that?
Code? What do you mean?
I mean name of the package.
Oh yeah, good question. It is, yeah, good question. It's still it's completely an experiment.
And it looks a wrapper over the Cerebral.
Yeah.
And not like a model for Cerebral itself.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's that's why I use split into base controller to give the ability to kind of like wrap Cerebral.
Yeah, let's keep it this. Just I can fix it on my side. Continue writing.
You're so nice to me, Alexei. Thank you. I'll just keep writing the missing arg and website that dynamic. Wasn't there using that? Where is the HTTP thingy? There we are. Okay, and then we'll just link to them. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Okay, I merged 1000 and waiting for Travis to release next.
Sweet.
By the way, I bought a ticket to the plane.
Oh, you have?
Yes, and I will arrive 2 days earlier.
Okay.
Maybe there will be a meetup in Vienna.
Yeah.
Before Bratislava, yes.
Oh, yeah. Really looking forward to that trip. It's going to be nice to see you again. And also like the new people, Gaspard. Well, hopefully he's coming. I don't think he had bought a ticket for some reason. Well, who's coming? Is it a spreadsheet? Reactive conf. Yeah, Wayne Max is coming. Wayne. Actually, Wayne, Banner in the UK, he's actually working here he's visiting here and working here for a month. Fun. Yeah, Ives is coming. Whoops. Fmal. It's going to be fun to meet Ives as well, the Code Sandbox guy. He's staying with us.
Yeah.
It's nice. Did you see the new, what was it called? Blitz? Stack Blitz?
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Very cool stuff.
But Yves makes good promotions in internet.
Mm-hmm.
And why don't we have a Cerebral on the main page of Code Sandbox?
Oh, or web. Yeah, on Webpack bin.
Get there.
Yeah, yeah, it's kind of silly.
There is a lot of example projects, and we don't have Cerebral there. Why?
Yeah.
After all we did with him, it
yeah.
was there.
I think I wanted it to be like the kind of like the triumph, like the last thing, like I saved it for last kind of thing. But yeah, I will put it there, and I will put it at the top and change the color or something, highlight it.
Do you have access to main page?
Yeah, well, not on Code Sandbox, but on Webpack bin at least.
I think we should get on Code Sandbox too.
Yeah, we should do that. So yeah, done. It released. Yeah, success. So it should be good.
Yep. Looks like all good now.
Sweet. I will tell my colleagues as well to update our project tomorrow, and we will do some testing, and hopefully everything will be good, and then we can just shove this thing into master after I will create a PR for
the... see Cerebral MobX published.
Oh, it's not. It's not a crisis if it's not, but
I think
it might be because of the glob.
Don't you have a private truth there? I will check it now. Would this fun? No, I can't see a private truth. Why it was ignored?
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Probably script has some glob. Yes, it's packages glob that haven't matched in the package. Because
oh yeah, it's only pointing to Cerebral itself. Yeah. But what about function tree? Doesn't it? Packages no, but it does say it's. Oh, it should be there. That's weird.
Function tree was published. Oh, so okay, so I thought we publish only changed packages.
Yeah.
But on the next, I see we publish all of them. How it will behave in master?
Good question.
I don't think we want to publish all packages untouched. It's good for now because we definitely have all packages as next. Not left anything in the past, but I think it should be fixed.
Yeah. I think we should have another hangout related to putting things into master, so we're sure that we do it the way we want it to be. But okay, I'll just poke Gaspard about MobX. Maybe he has some ideas why it wasn't part of the release. But yeah, no worries. It's no biggie. Has any issues?
Oh, we have new globs right in Cooper.js file. So I think there is outdated globs or it were used in some other scripts. And this glob states that everything under packages not modulus should match.
I thought maybe it was something inside the package JSON file that maybe.
But it's not errored. Twice. Oh, it ran pre-published script from MobX. But don't run publish.
That's weird. Okay, but it's okay to notify people about that we have finished the next release. And then we can do another hangout, and ensure what you suggested, merging into master with the next publishing as well, and then make sure that it actually publishes what we want it to publish on the first merge. Or do you have something you want to look at now?
Nope.
It's okay.
Let's just plan next and go to his gospel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see a notification. Okay, let's finish.
Awesome. Thanks for all the help. And I learned something new today about Git. That's always good. Rebase on top of branch. Awesome. I guess we'll just talk later.
Okay.
Great,
Bye.
Alexei. Bye-bye.